Hi everybody, and thank you very much for the opportunity of speaking at the MAALLT Tech Slam number 2. My name is Joe Dell. I'm a former languages teacher and now a languages consultant from the UK. And in today's session, I'm going to be talking about User Immersive Reader on websites for promoting accessibility and autonomy in the languages class. So for those people that don't know about Immersive Reader, it's a Microsoft product which comes bundled with things such as Word and PowerPoint and Class Notebook. It's also available in Wakelet and Flip as well. So this Chrome extension, which is completely unofficial, is called User Immersive Reader on websites, and it works in the following way. Okay, you click on the three dots here, you click Exit Slideshow, then you go to a web page which has some text in a foreign language. So here I've gone to Le Monde. I'm going to select some of the text, right click and click Help Me Read This. That's because my Chrome extension User Immersive Reader on websites is enabled. Okay, I click on that and that will then launch Immersive Reader. One great thing about Immersive Reader is it recognizes the language automatically. So all I have to do now is press play and get a lovely model pronunciation back like this.
Avec 3 épisodes de canicule, l'été 2022 est le plus meurtrier.
Okay, I can click on voice settings and I can click on male instead of female, and I can choose to have a slower speed or a faster speed like this.
Meurtrier depuis 2003, la France a enregistré un excès de mort.
There we are. So this text, if you don't know, is about people dying in the heat wave in France. Now, you've also got these three options up here. Now, if I click on the text preferences option, I can make the text size bigger or smaller like that. I can also change the spacing if I want to. I can change the font as well like this. And I can change the theme. So particularly for dyslexic readers, they might find it easier to have a yellow, blue or green background, etc. I can also click on the grammar options here, and I can enable color coding for different parts of speech like this. So I can have, for example, all the nouns in red, all the verbs in, all the nouns in purple, all the verbs in red, all the adjectives in green, and all the adverbs in brown. You can also choose to have labels as well above each word to show which words are nouns and adjectives, etc. And you can enable the syllables option as well, which could help with pronunciation. Once you've done that, you've also got the reading preferences here. And you can enable line focus. So you can, for example, have the text read back line by line, or in the old days, we used to use a ruler for this sort of thing. You can have it one line at a time or 3 lines at a time like that. So that's also really nice. There's a picture dictionary as well, which is enabled, which I'm going to show you in a second. And here we can choose a different language to translate either the text word by word or the whole document. Now, to show you how that one works, what I'm going to do is turn off the line focus, and I'm going to hover over the word episode, click on it, and you can see here that we can have a pronunciation of episode like this.
Épisode.
Okay, or the translated version, heatwave episodes like this.
Heatwave episodes.
And then we have a picture here which is designed to help us understand what the word episodes means. Okay, we could also click, for example, on the word santé like this, and as you can see, again, we've got the model pronunciation.
Santé.
And the translated version.
Public health.
Okay, and you've got some images here as well to help you. So I think that's very useful on its own as well. So in general, User Immersive Reader on websites, I think it's great for encouraging autonomy, for giving students a model of pronunciation, and particularly for dyslexic readers, allowing them to find that the classroom is more accessible to them when they're learning a different language, which is just absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to go back to my presentation like this and run the slideshow again. Here is the last slide of the presentation. As you can see, the URL is is.gd/MAALLT TechSlam. So feel free to use that short URL. Feel free to scan the QR code as well to access the presentation. And I really hope you found this useful and enjoy the rest of the TechSlam. Bye for now.